first heard about the Timothy track, I thought, man, this is what I want to do. And that was because I had an undergrad where I did 2 years of an internship there and transitioned into seminary. I knew that was the exact same thing I wanted. Desiring this sort of mentorship between a pastor and myself. And then when I saw the Timothy track program, like, that makes it easy for me.
One of my favorite features of the Timothy track has been an opportunity for all the guys to come together under a pastor about 3 times a semester for what's called a Timothy talk. It's been great because the Timothy talks that we've had so far have focused on everything from sermon preparation to church membership and even to handle relational conflict in the context of a local church. These are things that you're not going to get to experience in a classroom with everything else that you're learning and reading and doing, but to have that atmosphere and to have a camaraderie of other guys who are in the Timothy track right there alongside with you has been invaluable.
Timothy track ministry helps me supplement what I'm learning and allows me to apply it hands-on, and so I'm not exactly sure if there's any other school quite like that that's giving us this hands-on application, but for me it's been quite crucial in my formation of what I want to do when it comes to ministry.
It's been a wonderful experience to be able to see what life in both sides churches can look like and the things needed from the pastoral ministry to best benefit the people in the body, to teach and to invest into the young men, the older men, and the church body as a whole, and something that I'm very grateful for, something that was provided through the Timothy track. And for all prospective students, if you're looking at seminary, the Timothy track is something that I would highly recommend to do. This is the full sphere of seminary education is found through a program like the Timothy track.